welcome to my channel guys with my new video guys. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to turn to the left side without any mistakes, and when I turn the steering wheel without touching the car next to me. The exam, you have to be ready for that. Okay, so please stay and watch my video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video guys, I will show you how to turn left side, especially when you have a car next to you, and what are the steps follow at the time of the exam. Right, first, always be confident in yourself and take all your confusion away and focus well during your test. Alright guys, now what is the steering turn level, and my car is on the line I want. Okay, it is easy guys, relax. Alright, and when I turn the steering wheel without touching the car next to me, so how are we going to turn? What the level I have to turn to my steering wheel? We need only quarter, okay, like that. Not much, just quarter. Anyway, first keep your gear on drive mode and handbrake down. Okay, then ensure there is no car on the right or left. Then signal. Okay, turn your signal. Then start moving. And when the shoulder is aligned with the bumper of the car next to you, turn the steering to the left. That's it. And keep going. Alright guys, so keep in mind there is a mistake, the examiner are focusing on them, so you must be prepared like a tiger, you know. And this is are the 22 mistakes I talk about in the last video. I think you remember guys. It's okay, no worry, just stay away from the negative thing and be with the positive. Good luck. Okay guys, now I'm going to turn to the left side. There's no cars next to me from left or right. Okay, so now I'm going to move. I'll keep my gear mode drive and handbrake down, and I put my signal, and I have to check from the right and left also there's no car, make sure there's no car. Then I have to turn my steering quarter when my shoulder is aligned with the parking. Then when I'm already in the right position, I fix my steering stage. That's it. Okay. All right, brothers and sisters, now I'm going to turn left. You know, if you turn to the left, whatever, it's from the sidewalk or you know, it's same thing. You have to turn only a quarter, it's enough. Don't turn half, because half is too much. Okay, but you are going out from the parking, what the lever should be turned of the steering wheel. Okay, just a quarter. When already my shoulder is aligned with a bumper of the car next to me, that time only I have to turn, you know. Anyway, some locations are not allowed to go right or left. This location exactly, it's the Wadi Kibir, it's only one way, so you have to understand the location you are about to for. Okay, in this moment I'm going to move to the left. Okay, make sure your shoulder aligned with a bumper of the car next to you or the line next to you. Come on. I put my gear drive mode and brake it down. Then check from the right. Okay, if there's any car coming from the right, check the way, the fuel, I mean. Okay, then when my shoulder align with the car bumper next to me, that time I have to turn. Okay. Listen, guys. When you are shoulder aligned with the bumper, the car next to you, no matter how you turn, you car going to the line where you want. Alright? Thank you for watching. See you inshallah.